Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Ideanomics, how the company is, and if you should buy its stock. Before today's video begins, if you like my content, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Ideanomics is a Chinese company listed on the US Stock Exchange. It has offices in US, Malaysia, China and Ukraine. The company has a complicated past. It started as a streaming company called China Broadband, before changing its name to You On Demand. That business venture did not work out, because the streaming market in China was too crowded to have a new and small player. It later changed its name to 7 Star Cloud Group, stating that its goal has pivoted to AI and blockchain financial technology company. Overall, this business also failed to generate enough business to break even. In fact, its revenue covers a little bit more than 15% of the expenses. This branch of business can still be found on the Ideanomics website. One thing that deserves a special mention is that during this phase of fintech, the company that we now know as Ideanomics bought a subsidiary called FinTalk, from a person related to the company's chairman. This is generally a huge red flag, because it can be a method for the company's senior management and board members to enrich themselves by selling to the public company, in other words the shareholders, an asset that may not have much value at an inflated price. The current Ideanomics that people are talking about is the result of its latest pivot in late 2018, with its focus on the green energy and zero-emission vehicles manufacturing. From my observations, those divisions all have a very long way to go before they can generate considerable revenue. In the meantime, the company continues to acquire companies here and there. Some of them may have synergy working together, others do give me the impression that they are bought literally so that people on Robinhood and Webull are hyped up and rush in to buy its shares. The latest purchase is a wireless charging company called Wave. This transaction caused the stock to rise during the latest trading day. Whether it can attract enough users to switch from the plug-in chargers to the wireless pads remains to be seen. With all that being said, my conclusion is that Ideanomics is a company that is worth trading, but not worth holding for the long term. On the daily chart, we can see that this stock has a huge tendency of getting pumped and deflating afterwards. It may not be anything fraudulent, but it does demonstrate that the stock has a shareholder base that is used to expect large price increases, and are betting on these peaks to lock in the gains. We can also see that the stock has a fairly long period of time during which the price will slowly grind lower, until another major catalyst makes the price to jump again. In 2020 this phenomenon happened twice, one in June, and the other one in late November. The reasons why the price jumped like it did is because there were either new contracts or acquisitions. I believe that the stock is worth trading due to the spikes it may have once or twice a year. My recommendation is to purchase the stock gradually over the next few months, making sure to buy the stock at low average cost, and to wait for the price surge in 2021. I would suggest to keep the exposure of this stock below 1% of your portfolio, because the stock seems to have very high price risk, and it may capture your capital for a very long period of time, between 3 to 6 months. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.